YouTube! I'm trying to act like I'm excited, but actually I'm kind of tired. But I gotta do these workouts. Might as well have you join me. You're keeping my daughter employed, by the way. She's holding the camera, she's making the edits. Give her a shout out if you like it. Maybe she'll get a raise. Anyway, today we're doing a gym workout, a little different than our garage workout that y'all might know me from, stone lifting and log lifting. But today it's a little bit more bodybuilding type. You know that I've been doing one set to failure workouts. Today, because I want to flex for the camera, we're gonna try one set to failure for Benjamin. I'm gonna be doing one set to failure for dips, pull-ups, same with him. We'll see how it goes. Everything's experiment, yo, and so I hope you enjoy the show. Dip station setup. Benjamin's not strong enough to do real dips yet, so what we got are these bands here. We got a light band, a medium band, and a heavy band. And because we're doing one set to failure, which is more like drop setting and monster setting, he'll be starting with this, and we'll jump to that, and then we'll jump to that. So we'll do 2 sets to failure. Reason being is because Ben's learning the movement, so I want him to get more volume, right? I'm up next. Am I a failure yet? I'm a failure. I'm not making any claims, but my joints feel so much better doing one set to failure. 5x5 we did for the past 3 weeks. My joints are hurting me. I don't know the scientific reason why. Make of it what you will. Pull-ups are next. Benjamin, I'd like to keep it focused on the pull-ups. Me, I'll do pull-ups and then pull-downs. With younger athletes, guys that are newbies, just getting started with lifting, it's not so much about even getting stronger. You are getting stronger, but it's more about learning the exercise. I see where I could do that better. I should probably use a band. That's the end of the upper body portion of the workout. That's it for upper body. And I'm not on trend. I'm on that Liver King diet. So we got squats next. We'll do 2 sets as much as you can. It's the old man's turn.
Remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.
We have another workout tomorrow. All it is farmer carries, 4 times around. Feeling like a junkie. I mean, all that noise that happens when I squat, I'm making popcorn. Yeah, old knees, man. I like this guy. Shout out. One last thing. Yeah, still beat from them squats. 1 set of 20. I'm not a very smart guy. Just do it works. I don't know why.
What are you waiting for? Come on.
So that's it. I can't begin to explain the amazing benefits of 1 set to failure training, bro. I just love it. That was a quick workout. It was intense. Big Ben made some progress. I got a massive pump. I invite you to do the same. Please give it a try. Anyway, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. Send me money. There's a $sign down below. You can click that. You can send me $1,000, $100. But anyway, keeps this channel going. Give my daughter money. See what she's doing. What do you need money for anyway? Strong, independent woman. All right, that's it. Love you guys. We'll be back next time with farmers carries around the farm. Done.